This is not just a truck. This is strength, presence, and capability combined into one powerful machine. The Ram 1500 represents a modern evolution of the American pickup truck, a vehicle designed not only to work hard but also to deliver comfort, technology, and performance that rivals luxury SUVs. From construction sites to open highways, from rugged off-road trails to everyday city driving, the Ram 1500 has built a reputation for being one of the most versatile and respected trucks in the world. And once you take a closer look, it becomes easy to understand why. The first thing that captures attention is the design. The Ram 1500 carries a bold and muscular appearance that instantly communicates power. Its wide stance and strong body lines make it look confident and capable even when standing still. At the front, the massive grille dominates the entire face of the truck. Depending on the trim level, the grille design can range from bold chrome accents to aggressive blacked-out finishes. The headlights are sharp and modern, featuring advanced LED lighting technology that provides excellent visibility while giving the truck a distinctive signature on the road. Below the headlights, large air intakes and a sculpted bumper give the Ram 1500 a powerful and purposeful appearance. Every angle of the front fascia is designed to reflect strength. Moving along the side, the Ram 1500 reveals its true scale. This is a full-size pickup truck, and its size is immediately noticeable. Large wheel arches house impressive wheels that can range from practical work-focused designs to stylish performance-inspired options. The long truck bed in the back adds practicality and functionality, allowing the Ram 1500 to carry tools, equipment, outdoor gear, and heavy cargo without hesitation. Whether it's for construction work, camping adventures, or hauling equipment, the truck bed remains one of the most important features of this vehicle. But the Ram 1500 is not just about utility. Over the years, it has evolved into one of the most comfortable pickup trucks available. Step inside the cabin, and the experience feels surprisingly refined. High-quality materials cover the dashboard, seats, and door panels. Soft touch surfaces, premium stitching, and metallic accents give the interior a sophisticated atmosphere that feels closer to a luxury SUV than a traditional work truck. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long journeys. Drivers who spend hours on the road will appreciate the comfort and support provided by the seating design. In higher trims, the Ram 1500 offers leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, and even real wood accents that elevate the interior experience even further. At the center of the dashboard sits one of the most impressive infotainment systems in the pickup truck segment. A large touchscreen display controls navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and smartphone connectivity. The system is designed to be intuitive and responsive, allowing drivers to access important functions quickly and easily. Smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures that drivers can stay connected, listen to music, use maps, and communicate safely while driving. But comfort and technology are only part of the Ram 1500 story. The real heart of this truck lies under the hood. Depending on the configuration, the Ram 1500 offers several powerful engine options designed to deliver both performance and efficiency. One of the most popular options is the legendary V8 engine, known for its strong towing capability and impressive power output. When this engine comes to life, the truck immediately feels ready for serious work. Press the accelerator, and the Ram 1500 responds with confidence. The power delivery is smooth, yet strong, allowing the truck to accelerate with surprising ease for a vehicle of its size. Whether merging onto highways or pulling heavy loads, the engine provides the strength needed to handle demanding situations. Towing is where the Ram 1500 truly shines. This truck is engineered to pull trailers, boats, campers, and heavy equipment with remarkable stability and control. Advanced towing technologies help drivers manage large loads more safely and comfortably. Trailer sway control, rear-view camera systems, and intelligent braking assistance work together to make towing easier and more predictable. For drivers who regularly haul heavy cargo or tow trailers, these systems can make a significant difference in overall confidence and safety. But the Ram 1500 is not only designed for highways and job sites. It also performs impressively in off-road environments. Certain versions of the truck come equipped with specialized off-road packages that include upgraded suspension systems, all-terrain tires, skid plates, and improved ground clearance. These upgrades allow the Ram 1500 to tackle dirt trails, rocky terrain, and uneven landscapes with confidence. The truck's strong chassis and advanced suspension help absorb impacts and maintain stability even on rough surfaces. Drivers who enjoy outdoor adventures will appreciate how capable the Ram 1500 becomes once the pavement ends. Despite its strength and durability, the Ram 1500 manages to deliver a surprisingly smooth driving experience on regular roads. This is partly thanks to its advanced suspension system, which helps absorb bumps and imperfections in the road surface. Many drivers are often surprised by how comfortable and quiet the Ram 1500 feels during everyday driving. Wind noise is minimal, road vibrations are reduced, and the overall ride quality feels refined for a vehicle of this size. This balance between strength and comfort is one of the main reasons why the Ram 1500 has become so popular. It is a truck that can work hard during the day and still provide a relaxed driving experience afterward. Safety is another important aspect of the Ram 1500. Modern driver assistance systems are available to help protect both the driver and passengers. These features can include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Each system works quietly in the background, helping drivers avoid potential hazards and maintain better control in challenging situations. As pickup trucks continue to evolve, vehicles like the Ram 1500 prove that utility and modern technology can coexist successfully. It represents a new generation of trucks, machines that are just as comfortable transporting families as they are hauling heavy cargo. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Ram 1500 is its versatility. Few vehicles are capable of performing so many different roles at such a high level. It can serve as a reliable work truck during the week. It can become an adventure vehicle for outdoor trips on weekends. And it can function as a comfortable daily driver for commuting and travel. That level of adaptability is what makes the Ram 1500 stand out in the competitive pickup truck market. Drivers who choose the Ram 1500 are not just buying transportation. They are investing in capability, durability, and confidence. A truck that can handle challenges. A truck that can support demanding tasks. A truck that is built to go further and work harder. And yet, it never forgets the importance of comfort and modern technology. In many ways, the Ram 1500 represents the perfect balance between tradition and innovation. It carries the rugged heritage of classic American pickup trucks while embracing the advancements that modern drivers expect. Power, capability, comfort, and technology all come together to create a truck that feels ready for anything. Because in the world of pickup trucks, strength matters. But true greatness comes from versatility. And that is exactly what the Ram 1500 delivers. A truck that works hard. A truck that travels far. And a truck that never backs down from a challenge.